everyone, and welcome to the Kanaloa Lounge. My name's Slacks Ferret, and today I received a pufferfish lamp in the mail from Thailand. I bought it from a source on eBay that I've used before, and the reason I'm making this video today is because I just want to show you with this unboxing video what you get when you order these pufferfish lamps off eBay. I'll include the name of the place where I got it in the links, but I just wanted to see if everything's okay, because as you can tell, there's a nice big dent in this box. Now this has come from a long ways away. It comes from Thailand, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, and I just want to make sure when I open this thing up, everything's okay. I did indeed order one of these before, and it was okay. It wasn't the world's best pufferfish lamp or anything like that, but I think it did the job okay. This time I ordered it in another color. One thing I can't deny these folks is that the prices are right. I, living in Canada, do have a harder time sourcing these kind of materials, and the World Wide Web indeed helps, but shipping to my country can be very expensive. So when a place includes free shipping and turns out to be a good deal like that for me, I definitely will pay attention. So right off the bat, it looks like, even though I know you can't really see this too well, but I'm gonna hold it up for you and then we'll take a closer look. But right off the bat, it looks like everything made it through okay. As you can see, it's not, like I said, well, I'll show you some of the closer details. It's not the world's best quality pufferfish lamp, but I think I'm pretty happy about this.
Now, the first thing I want to point out is just look at the top of the pufferfish there. They have attached the electrical light bulb and the cord together with electrical tape. And I get why they do that. They're sending these out all over the world, and they want to attach the corresponding electrical cord to your thing. But it just seems a bit sketchy, doesn't it? The other thing I wanted to point out is the big gaping hole in the back. And I've seen plenty of pufferfish lamps that don't have these holes on the back, but you can't always really tell because that's pointing up towards the ceiling and you're standing underneath them. And let's face it, these things are organic. I like that the fins on this guy are all intact. Again, these are organic specimen taxidermied creatures, so they're all going to be different, but I love the googly eyes are in place here. I think those are prerequisite, and the pokey bits all seem to be intact, and that's right, I'm using the technical term pokey bits. But again, nice size. These are organic. They're all going to be different, right? I can't complain too much. I'm happy with this purchase for the price. It's not like ordering from like Oceanic Arts, like these guys here. I got these from Oceanic Arts years ago. Look at the mouths though. I love that these mouths are natural and they don't have that weird red tape like this new one has on it. That just looked weird to me. I would have preferred it wasn't added at all. The other thing that's disappointing is this white cord. Again, tape it on, sure, but why not tape on a brown one or a black one, or it's just, I don't want a white cord on a lamp that's hanging in my tiki bar. I don't know why I'm that weird that way, but I just don't. The other thing is they have included a spare bulb. They probably know that I'd change my mind about the green at some point and want to go with the exact opposite color and get a red one. Whatever. Here's where I'm going to be hanging it though. Up on my ceiling here, you can see where I have space there, so I'm going to move some of these guys around and put up my pufferfish lamp right around here. So move one old one right there. And here we go. So newly installed, fresh in situ, but I didn't love how I had directed the pufferfish in this video. But there's one of my old bulbs in that corner, as promised, I guess. Pull back here, get a better view of the room overall. All the things hanging from the ceilings, etc. Oh, look, there's the first one I bought from off eBay from Thailand. And that one didn't have holes in it, I don't think, at the time. So I didn't expect to see that on this new one. But again, it's not a deal breaker for me. I think I'm fine with the fact that these things are organic. I know that. We're talking about a thing that used to live, for heaven's sakes, right? So, you know, I know some people might have problems with that. But anyway, I didn't love the fact that this guy was facing outward, so I moved him so he's facing inward. That's right. That's important to me. That's the kind of person I am, I guess. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope you have a better idea now what it is you would get if you ordered one of these pufferfish lamps off of eBay from Thailand. If you like this quick video, was it quick? It felt quick. If you like this video, then feel free to give it a thumbs up and maybe subscribe too. Who knows? I might even make more videos. Thanks for watching.